How to fix could not create your account at this time on iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. So, launch settings. Navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget the network and again, rejoin it. Likewise, you can enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, head over to the option General. Click on the option Software Update. If you found out any iOS update over here, just update it to its latest version. Hit back and navigate to the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. In case you are connected, disconnect to it. Then head back. Scroll down and navigate to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on the option Erase all content and settings. Now, click on Continue and go through the process. If none of these solutions work, navigate to this website, Apple support team, and explain about your issue. So these are some fixes for could not create your account at this time on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.